before she leaves. It's because Alright. Awesome. Can you tell us in there? You can't tell it. There's one little bird in there. There.
Still no.
There we go. Why does it look so yellow in here? It's a stupid camera. Around back to the window, real window.
The outside isn't snowy. You should know that.
Oh, is it snowing there? It wasn't snowy earlier. Went to commercial, came back. You stopped looking for it when it went to commercial.
What?
You stopped looking for it when it went to commercial.
You know.
Well, actually, he went to the window, inside the window, and looked. And then he's got. Hey! You better not be using your claws on my TV.
He's not. He only did it when he was about to fall, but he didn't scratch the screen. What are you doing? What you doing? Get some bird?
You better not get. Don't you?
Go get the bird.
Are you eating my hair right here?
Yeah, probably. Go get the bird. Get it.
Possum, I love you, but you seriously are not the.
Smart. Oh.
You are the goofiest. But it flew. Oh no. What is that?
I know.
It's another cat?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh.
Yes.
Another cat. Uh-oh.
Oh no, he scratched.
Now,
Hey, he's the artist. Did you hear that? What? He just wagged his tail and it's like, boom!
Yeah, he's a freaking strong cat.
Oh. Yeah. He's trying.
You should hear Mom when when she sees a bird outside. Man, her tail goes boom, 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 boom. Remember the sound that pit bull?
Yeah.
His tail when he was hitting the that's what that
Bo?
yeah, Bo. When his tail was hitting our thing, it sounded just like that inside that window.
The bird's back.
The bird's back. Precious, what are you doing? You just laying there?
Yeah. I don't think she knows what Possum's doing. I don't think she knows there's a bird. Oh.
She's just finding.
Fluffy
Oh,
tail.
She's like, tail. I can catch mine.
Fluffy tail.
I can catch mine. You're fun to catch. Tail. She is so small.
Fiona.
She is so small compared to him.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, that's enough.
I think
you need,
before you
you need to learn something.
yeah.